Hello friends, welcome to English with Mahmud Shamim. Today my topic is about should and ought to. So you see this is lecture 1 and should and ought to. These two modal auxiliaries are well known to all. We have other modal auxiliaries like can, could, may, might, will, would. Later I will discuss more about other modal auxiliaries. Okay, so today I will discuss only a should and ought to. I think this video will help you a lot. Okay, to get your problem. If you wanna use should and ought to in your daily conversations, if you wanna speak by using should and ought to another person, I think this video would help you a lot. When you want to use how to use and what should be the meaning of should and ought to. I think I have included some important tips, okay, with some sentences. That's why I think you should watch. Okay, and before we get started, I'd like to tell you one thing. If you are new, so you should watch the full video and don't skip the full video. Okay, and I think this video would help you a lot. Okay, regarding your aspects, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss any lesson when I upload. Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, you see friends, should. Okay, I'd like to tell you about should first. Should is used to give an advice or to give an opinion. So advice means what? So advice means someone says something to do for your betterment, so you are doing. Okay, so this is an advice. And to give an opinion. Opinions means what? So someone tells something about something for the betterment of someone or for the human being. It is also an opinion. Okay, so let's look on sentences. Example, you look so tired. You should go to bed. This is an advice. Okay, so number 2, the government should do more to improve education. This is an opinion. Okay, next, we often use should with I think, I don't think to give an opinion. So when you want to use these phrases like I think, I don't think, these phrases, and next you should use should, okay, in sentences to say an opinion. So examples, I think you should go to a hospital to see your cousin. This is an opinion. I don't think you should work so hard. Okay, this is also an opinion. So next, you can use should when something is not right or what you expect. Okay, I repeat these tips. Okay, so that you can understand properly. So we can use should when something is not right or what you expect. So examples, the price on the packet is wrong. Okay, it should be $2.50. So it should be at $2.50. It is your expectation, but not $3.50. It is not your expectation. Okay, so I have told you already. We can use should when something is not right, what we expect. Okay, so next sentence, the man on the motorbike should be wearing a helmet. So it is also, okay, an expectation. Okay, so next, we also use should to say that we expect something to happen. Okay, and repeat these steps again. We also use should to say that we expect something to happen. So examples, Maria has been studying hard for the exam. Okay, uh, why Maria has been studying hard for the exam? Because she should pass. Okay, so Maria has been studying hard for the exam, so she should pass. I expect her to pass. Okay, this sentence means that. So I've told you already these steps. We also use should to say that we expect something to happen. So next sentence. There are plenty of hotels in the town. It shouldn't be hard to find a place to stay. Okay, I don't expect it to be hard. Okay, so this is also an example of these steps. So now I would like to discuss about ought to. Ought to. We can use, or you can use ought to instead of should in the sentences. Okay. So already I have told you should means advice, should means opinion. So I think I ought to apply for the job. Okay. We can say that this is also an opinion. Okay, so I think I should apply for the job. So instead of should, instead of using should, we can say I think I ought to apply for the job. Number two, it was a great party last night. Okay, you ought to come. Okay, so we can use should instead of ought to here. It was a great party last night. You should come. But I discuss is about ought to here. So we use ought to instead of should. Okay. So next sentence. Maria has been studying hard for the exam. So she ought to pass. I think you got understood. Okay, it's about ought to. Ought to and should means same. Okay, both are same meaning. But we often use should. We often use ought to. This is not a problem, and sometimes we do mistake. But why? Because if we don't have enough knowledge or proper ideas of should and ought to, how to use, when to use, and where to use it properly, I think in that time we do mistake. Okay, I think this video would help you a lot regarding your problems. I think so. And I'd like to tell you one thing. If you get some important solutions, or if you get some benefits from this video, okay, from this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay, and like, share to you to other person. And I would like to tell you one thing. If you have any comments or any queries regarding this video, and if you want to more about should or not to, okay, so write in my comment box when I say I reply. Okay, so my friends, that's all for today. It's about should or not to. I think again I should say you should watch this video is about should or not these two modal auxiliaries we use daily in our conversations. Okay, I think this video would help you a lot in making sentences when you speak to other person, okay, by using should or not to. Okay, my friends, that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.